Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ikani Samuel. In this video, I'll be showing you all you need to know before buying a refrigerator. Buying a refrigerator can be very confusing with so many factors to be considered, right from selecting the adequate storage capacity, energy efficiency, to the available space in the kitchen. There are also plenty of things to consider before financing the refrigerator. It can even get more tense with many styles, colors, door types, and brand to choose from. The type of refrigerators. One of the first things you should consider when buying a new fridge is the type of refrigerator you need, depending on the design, the structure, and there are many types of fridges as I'll be showing you in this video. Number one, we'll be starting with a single door refrigerator. This is one of the single door refrigerator. As the name implies, it starts with one door. This is a one door fridge. This is another type, single door refrigerator. This type has a water dispenser on it. This is the interior. Look closely, this is a freezer, the single door refrigerator. This is economical and it has a small storage capacity. And the cooling is direct. You can see. This is the double door refrigerator. This is the first door, which is usually the freezer. The freezer has a separate door. And we have the fridge. This is the second door. That makes it a double door fridge. We have the upper layer and the down layer. The up is the freezer and the down is the fridge. Take a good look at it. So full double door fridge. This is the biggest of them all. The side-by-side fridge. It has a two side-by-side door. Take a good look at it. You can store whatever you want to store in this. It's a very large one. This is the fridge. And here is the freezer. The doors are side by side like that of the wardrobe. This is the freezer. And here is the fridge. You can store whatever you want to store in this fridge. It's a very massive one. Features to consider when buying a refrigerator. If you need more tips to buy a refrigerator, here are some features to look out for when buying a new fridge. Water and ice dispenser. External dispenser for ice and water built into the refrigerator doors to reduce freezer capacity and increases storage space. 2. We have adjustable shelves, offer flexible storage option and making cleaning more easier. Toughened glass shelves. Shelves made from safety glass that comes with increased strength when compared to other regular glass. Then we have the inbuilt inverter technology. Improves energy efficiency using a compressor that can run at a varying speed depending on the load required by the unit. Then we have the temperature control. Automatically adjust the temperature inside the fridge according to the amount of food stored within. How to determine the best storage capacity refrigerator for your home. The capacity of a refrigerator can range from as low as 40 liters to as high as 850 liters. To decide the right capacity for your home, you need to consider the amount of food you'll be storing on a regular basis. This typically depends on the size of your family. As a general rule of thumb, this is how you can decide the right refrigerator capacity for your family. On top, we have the size and composition of family, ideal fridge capacity, and the type of fridge. 40 to 100 liters ideal fridge capacity for one adult, and the type of fridge required is the mini refrigerator. On the second, we have two adults and one child, 150 to 250 liters, and the type of fridge required is the single door refrigerator. And we also have two adults and one child, 150 to 250 liters, still the single door refrigerator. And we have two adults and two children, 250 to 350 liters. And the type of fridge required is double door refrigerators. And we have three adults and two children. The ideal fridge capacity is 250 to 500 liters. And the fridge type is double or triple door refrigerator. And finally, we have the four adults and two children, 550 to 850 liters. And the fridge capacity and the fridge type is the side-by-side refrigerator. So keep in mind that sometimes even your family is nuclear and your food storage requirement may be higher. So choose your refrigerator capacity accordingly. To ensure that you get the most out of your purchase, watch this video, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these tips. Thank you.